Hello guys, on this video I want to show you how to add text behind your video or behind your image. Firstly, open CapCut. Yes, and second, please choose the photos you want to add the text behind the photos or the videos. Yes, I choose Cristiano Ronaldo, my favorite footballer from Portugal. Then please adjust your screen to 16:9 like this, and remove the CapCut icon and adjust the length of the video, the image, and then create 3D animation, 3D zoom here. Yes, to make your image seems like a video, moving video. You can see it like this. Yes, and then scratch the image to fit the screen. Yes, and extract the video. Open again the videos. Now remove background from the video. After being removed, remove this CapCut icon, then save the video again. And over the previous video to add text to the video. Yes, we can add text Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo. Style. And then choose the font you want. I choose below because it's cool. Yeah, then adjust the space, and adjust. Space again. Background. Shadow. This and animation. Loop animation. I love this one. Add keyframe from here, and keyframe again. To here, and export the video, and open again the video. On the overlay the previous video, adjust the video, and chroma key. Yeah, you can just remove background. And export the video. Here is the final results of the video.